What's up, Scatter Crew? So today I'm gonna be doing a video with my KLX250. I'm out here in the garage. I got my daughter here. She's feeding the dogs. She can probably hear me talking to myself. Hey. Whatever. But so on the agenda today. Sorry, I just got done eating some chips. But this bad boy needs to get rid of this. She needs to lose a little of this. But, so, here's my idea, right? I'm going to cut this right along here. I'm going to cut it down here. And then I'm going to cut it along here. And right across here and back up. So it's going to look pretty sleek. Now, I'm gonna take this license plate, right? Now, it was originally on here like this. It's got these little things for those reflectors that hang off, okay? So that sits down quite a bit. Now, so what I'm gonna do is, so that I can cut off just a little bit more of this, I'm gonna re-drill some holes up here. And I'm gonna flip this. Upside down. So you can see here, it's not really. It's gonna put my plate down. I don't know. I guess I could leave it like that. Either way, I think it's going to. It's gonna be right about the same. But I want to put this up, obviously the bottom. I want to cut this off. So off she goes. I'm going to flip it upside down, put it like that, and then I'm going to cut that. Let's see. I'm going to cut that right there. So this is what she looks like right now. We're gonna change that. So, anyways, back to what I was gonna say. The inspiration for this video is from Mob Street's video, where he purchased a kit, Fender Delete kit. It's pretty slick design for the TW. Now, I've been wanting to do this since that video came out. I decided, you know what? I'm gonna get my ass out into the garage and I'm gonna make it happen. So here we go. check this out. This is the final product. Now, I'll just get my license plate. Basically, that's gonna fit on there like that. So, I will show you real quick. I'll throw it on and we'll end this video right after I show you what it looks like now that I took it off. Well, we'll put the plate on and show you what it looks like after I deleted that hideous thing. All right, don't mind the messy shop, but here is my Fender rear mud flap thingy. Delete. It's not really a Fender. Here's my Fenders, but you get the drift. I mean, those things are hideous with that, but check it out. Looks pretty factory-ish, right? Look at that. Look at that. Anyways, thanks Mob Street for the idea. By the way, your TW looks good, but this looks better. Yeah. Anyways, so that's that. Like, subscribe, check it out. Probably do a few more things to this KLX, but yeah, I kind of like that. I think that's a mod I should have done very first. But we'll go test it out this weekend. We're going riding again. So we're gonna test it out, check it out. Hopefully it works good. But stay tuned for some more fun this summer.